Whether you're an experienced live streamer or just getting into it, you should know the most important part of live streaming is your connection. If your connection goes down, you have no live stream and you'll lose your audience. One blip in your connection can take down your stream. Let me tell you, audiences do not hang around and watch technical difficulty screens for very long. But even if your screen stays up, you don't want viewers watching constant lags and buffering. So where do these problems come from and how do you fix them? First of all, you need three things for a good live stream connection: speed, reliability, and minimum latency. Speed. Most plans prioritize download. That's what these cable companies advertise when they tell you how fast their internet connection is. But all you care about is upload speed. You have to send video from your phone, from your computer to the internet. So you need at least 4 megabits of upload bandwidth to do a stream. 10 megabits is much, much better. The more the better. Reliability. Cables are more reliable than wireless. You do not want your internet to cut out in the middle of the stream. So if possible, use an Ethernet connection for added reliability instead of Wi-Fi. Latency. Latency is a measure of how long it takes data packets to make it from their source to their destination. So for live streaming, that means the delay between a video frame is captured and when that frame is displayed to the viewer. Make sure your streaming platform of choice supports low latency streaming. Check your connection's latency before you start. Anything under 100 milliseconds between you and the live streaming server is okay. The less the better, but you don't want your latency to vary a lot either. If your latency is jumping all over the place, this will result in glitches and dropped frames. And if you've checked all those and you're still having internet issues when you try a stream, here's my 5 tips to help. 1. Check that your ISP isn't throttling your upload. Check what's in your internet plan and what speeds you get when you run a test. As mentioned, you need at least 4 megabits, 10 would be better. 2. Check any data caps in your internet plan. You may want to upgrade your plan. 3. Always use wired connections when live streaming if you can. This eliminates the wireless interference and packet loss, gives you a much more reliable connection. 4. Make sure that no other devices on your connection are using your upload bandwidth while you're live streaming. Check if you left any stream or upload running on any other devices. Get the kids or your spouse to stop doing video calls when you're in the middle of your live stream. 5. To maximize speed and reliability, use multiple available internet connections at once. Use your home network, tether a phone, use a mobile hotspot, get a second connection installed if that's possible, and use them all at the same time in our app, Speedify. As a bonus, Speedify also prioritizes your stream traffic over everything else, so it can help even more.